inside this video, so I will show you how you will take to get any AI picture prompt, any picture of AI will be say you like so, and instead of you to dey crack your brain, they think of how you want to generate that kind of picture also. The thing go dey crack your brain, you no go fit get am. So I will teach you the simplest way to get the prompt for that particular picture. Any picture will be say na AI generate am or banner, and you just want get the prompt where they use generate am, then generate that kind of picture or something will look like that, or add your own input inside. So now what I'm going to show you for this video how you will simply do am with just this simple method. So make we go there, get our ChatGPT ready. So I will go to my ChatGPT, I'll open my ChatGPT. So now my ChatGPT is ready. So now you get a screenshot or download that particular picture that you want to use. So I have this picture of mine which I generated with ChatGPT on the screen now. So I'm going to use this picture to get the prompts that I use in generating this picture. Now, so all I just need to do is to go to my ChatGPT. Then on this place where you see this plus button, so just click on this plus button. It will bring out all this option for you. So the next thing you have to do is to click on add photo, add photos and file. So when I click add photos and file, it will take me to my gallery, your desktop, anywhere you have that picture that you want to get the prompts from. So all I just need to do is to click on my desktop, then go to my desktop where I have that particular image. So this is the image, so I'll just click on it and bring it here. So give it some time, allow it to process. So once it's processed, this black here will be active this way. So now all you just need to do is to give the prompt. I heard a lot of people saying use this particular prompt. You must not use anybody's prompt. All you just need to do is to know what do you want to do. At this point in time, what do I want to do with this image now? So simply what I want to do with this image is simply to get the prompt that was used to generate this image. That's all. So on your own language, on your own terms, on your own writing, just tell the ChatGPT to generate the same prompt that was used to generate this image that you just provided him. You just provided him with. That's all. So now I'm going to say, please write out the detailed prompts used in generating the above image I just provided you. I just provided you with. That's all. Click enter and allow it to do its work. So you see now we have the detailed prompt that was used to generate this particular image now. So all you just need to do is to go through your prompts. These are the prompts that was used to generate that particular image. So go through your prompts, go through the prompt very well to make sure that is what you want. So if I want to generate, for example, I want to generate this same image now that they generated. I want to generate that same image. So all I just need to do is to copy this prompt and still go down somewhere here and paste it, then paste it, then go through, make sure you go through the prompt so that you know if at all, because sometimes ChatGPT do make mistake. Go through the prompt and see if everything is okay. But if everything is okay and you still want to generate this same prompt, you don't want to add anything, you don't want to remove anything. So all you just need to do is to paste the prompt here, and at the beginning of the prompt, just give the command generate. So now that's all. It continues with the other informations there. So just click on the send button and give it some time to generate that same image or look-alike of that same image. So give it some time depending on your network. If your network is fast, it's going to produce it very, very fast. Okay, you see, boom, we will have another copy of that same image. So you see, the ChatGPT have generated the prompt that was used to generate that image, and now at the same time use that prompt that the ChatGPT generated for us to still recreate that same image again. That is to tell you that any image you see out there that was created with ChatGPT, these are the process that you can take to get that particular prompt for that particular image. And if you want to do a carbon copy of that particular image, just go ahead and paste it there, and boom, the ChatGPT will still produce that same image for you. But I will advise you, when you get the original prompt that was used to generate that particular image, then find a way to add something on it, like make a new input on it so that something will be slightly different from that one. So all I just need to do here is to click on the download button to download this particular image. So I'll just download it, click on the download button, and it will download this particular image for you. So now I've downloaded it. Let me open it. So as you can see, this one, there are no much difference between both of the two. Just the lighting, the cameras, the camera are the same thing, the face are the same thing. But if you watch the image inside the camera, that is where you'll find out that there are small differences. The other one is more brighter than this one, but the image are all the same. So these are the ways that you can use to get the prompt of any AI image, and also to generate that same image or lookalike of that image. If you're watching this video from the YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you're watching it from the Facebook page, don't forget to follow us on this page for more. Love you.